Hi, and welcome to Quantitative Reasoning. My name is Miss Stager, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So if you're signed up for this section, you are taking quantitative reasoning in a 7-week asynchronous format. So what that means is we will not have regular meeting times, but what you'll do is I'm going to post an announcement every week with the lesson and material to cover. So for example, when you first enter your D2L page, you'll see our week 1 announcement. I'll always put a video with a little snippet of what's going on. In this case, I do also need you guys completing your honor pledge and student information quiz. Please note these are both built in as quizzes just for ease of data collection. So for week 1, you guys are going to be completing lesson 1A through 2C. So the structure of the course is you're going to complete a preview assignment, a lesson, and then a practice assignment. You'll notice for your first couple of lessons, we actually don't have any previews. I'll put none there if there isn't any, otherwise I'll link them in. You guys are going to watch a video, fill out a note sheet. Here, this is going to go along with 1A. Those will make more sense as you're watching your video. And then we have our first practice assignment down here at 1C. So since we are not meeting, again, you're going to watch this video and you're going to fill out a note page. I linked everything in just for ease of access, and this note page is going to go right along with the video. So you can print these or you can buy them from the bookstore and write right on them. And again, it'll go right along with the video to keep all your notes organized. Once you go to a practice assignment, this material, I'm just going to go into teacher preview real quick, is going to go right along again with what you just learned. You'll have multiple attempts, and if you get stuck, there's a message your instructor button. You can always just pop into my office or my student hours, and we do have the tutoring center as well. So if you're going through, if you get stuck for any reason, if you're pretty sure you got the answer right, it's just marking it wrong, or if you just have concerns, do not hesitate to contact me. That is what I'm here for. You'll also notice we're going to be having some lesson quizzes throughout the week as well. So you do get unlimited attempts at these, and the system will keep your highest score. So you can go ahead, complete it. If you get anything incorrect, you can review and then try again. Since this is a 7-week course, things are a little bit accelerated. So you have your Unit 1 project, which will be due by Monday the 16th. So you have that extra weekend to work on it. And then you'll have another quiz at the end of the week as well. So for your Unit 1 project, what you're going to be asked to do, and this will make more sense once you go through Lesson 2C, is you're going to be comparing and contrasting these box and whisker plots. Hint, hint, these little dots on here are going to be very helpful when you're filling out your tables. So my expectation for this project is you're filling these out, you're filling in the missing information for your 5-number summary. You're looking for similarities, you're looking for differences, and then you're writing me either a paper or you're creating a PowerPoint or a video of some sort that is going to outline your information. So what I don't want is you guys just copying and pasting this and turning that in. I want you guys writing full sentences, using these to support your work, and using the mathematical language that you're gaining from the material. And if you have any questions, again, just reach out to me. There is a rubric here as well and some additional information. One thing I do want to know is these units are in thousands of dollars, so this is not 68, it's $68,000. So that's going to be extremely important to make sure you're communicating correctly. So also on your landing page, a couple things I want to point out is we have the full schedule over on the right-hand side, a link to my instructor information and my student hours. These are pop-in hours, so you do not need an appointment. The Monday will be in my office, which is the ETB building on Terry campus, and the rest will be in the Learning Commons. The Learning Commons on our campus is a really great resource to utilize. There's computers for free printing. I'll be there for student hours, and we have our tutoring center and the library there as well. I'll also put a little preview. You'll notice I didn't link in all the videos or no pages into this quite yet. I'll do that when your week 2 announcement comes out. So if you guys have any questions throughout the week, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, you have my email, you have my office number. You're welcome to just stop by my office. I'm happy to help. I know this is an online course, but you are not in this alone. So please make sure you're using me as a resource, the tutoring center. And I really hope that we all have a great semester.